Hey guys, it's King Midilux and welcome back to another vlog. And today is a very sunny day in the south of France. And I am makeup free today. I'd go makeup free today. And I really should be wearing some sunscreen, but I completely forgot, so I'm staying in the shade at the moment. I'm just about to feed the animals. I've got some carrots here, and I want to introduce you guys to them today. So here we go. Oh god, the sun's bright. Jesus. And these guys are called, you might laugh at this, they are called Ant and Dec. You might know them names from famous TV presenters. And we called them Ant and Dec because one of them is actually taller than the other. So here we go. Let me introduce you. Yeah, literally destroying the apple tree right now. And Dec, get some carrots. They might not like the phone. They're not used to having a phone in their face, so might not like it. And Dec, carrots, carrots. Come on in. You know you want some. I'll give you some. I will. There we go. There we go. Carrots. There you go. They're nice. They're nice. You gonna come over as well? You gonna come over as well? Here's yours. There you go. Hmm? Hmm. Hmm. You know. Hmm. Life in the French countryside, eh? Oh. I don't know how to get back up. Got back up. So there you have it, the French countryside. My hair is a complete mess today, so I do apologise. I was thinking of going darker. What do you think? Well, I wanted to get black hair dye. Then my mum turned around and she went, "No, you better not." Mostly because it takes so long. Like if for instance you want to be blonde again, after turning black, it is a very long and expensive process to go back to blonde, and I've done that so many times. I think my mum's just had enough of it because she has to save my hair afterwards after I fuck it up. So yeah. Oh, and this is the background of my little office. I've took stuff down. I've only got my calendar up at the moment. But yeah, I've took stuff down, but these sticker things just will not come off. And if they do come off, then it takes the paint off with them. So I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with my background. What should I do with it? It's all white. I don't know if I should paint it another colour or what should I do? Oh yeah, I've got little clouds here. Little cloudies, little foam clouds. I thought that was cute. But yeah, I've got this little corner here. Yeah, no decorations or anything. I don't know what to do with it. But then you go to the other side of the room. Turn around here. You go to the other side of the room. And then that's my brother's desk. And his K-pop idols that he loves. So he's got a whole setup here. And I've just got my little setup here. So I don't know, what should I do with the background? Should I make it cool and put some posters up? Or what should I do? Let me know. Tell me in the comments what I should do. Please, for the love of God. Tell me what to do. I'm just editing at the moment my videos. I'm thinking about, well, I'm debating whether or not to get another editing software. I'm using CapCut at the moment on Windows, but I don't know if I should invest in another software that's better. I don't know. What's the best editing software I use? No one fucking tells you. These YouTubers, they just keep their secrets to themselves. These YouTubers just keep everything to themselves nowadays, so they don't share what kind of software they use to do their vlogs, to edit their vlogs. My hair is an absolute mess today. Just put it away. Oh, do you like my top? It's supposed to be Spike off Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Can you remember that? Iconic series. Anyway, it's supposed to be Spike, and I ordered it from Temu, and it doesn't look like Spike. Each face is completely different. Can you see? It's completely different and AI generated. So, but it's still a decent top, so I'm still gonna wear it, even though it's not Spike. It's Spike, but not Spike. Anyway, I wanted to talk to you guys about PCOS fatigue. If you don't know what that is, it's one of the symptoms you can get when you've been diagnosed with PCOS. It is no laughing matter. It is very extreme and awful. It happens to me at least once or twice a day. This extreme fatigue that I get, and it's awful because it just ruins your day afterwards. It lasts For me, it lasts about 5 to 10 minutes. And it feels like, when it comes on, it feels like, right, I need to have like a 5-minute nap now, otherwise I feel like I'm gonna faint straight away. That's what it feels like, and the fear of fainting is just awful. And I worry about it because I'm going to get my driver's license soon, in the near future, and I don't want to get all this freedom and independence for it to all just get taken away from me again. Just because it might affect my driving. So that is a worry I do have. But that's like further down the line in the future, so I shouldn't worry about it right now. But you know what I'm like, I worry about things that are not here yet. I can't help it. I'm just a worrywart, I guess. I can't help it. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys about that, because it's just been on my mind recently. So yeah. By the way, Spike off Buffy the Vampire Slayer, he actually was, hi, my little doggy. He actually was my first ever crush. Can you believe that? He was my first ever crush, and he still is one of my crushes. I mean, he was badass in Buffy, wasn't he? Badass, yeah. So I loved a bad guy. Oof. Yeah. Hi guys, so today is Saturday and we got a delivery of wood for winter, but they delivered a pile of wood to the front of the house and not the back of the house where we can like pile it up and whatever. So today I'm going to move a pile of wood to the other side of the garden, which I'm not really looking forward to. I'm not looking forward to it, but it needs to get done. So I'll be moving a pile of wood to the other side of the garden so we can pile it up for winter. And it's the last day of this really nice weather, so we need to take advantage of that and get it done before it starts raining again. So let's get down to it.
Let's take it back to June 17th. Can't seem to forget you, forgetting about me. We were young and so detached from the known, but I was sure I found my peace in a place to call my own. And you, and you, and you. We were on the beat, you're a song to me, like a melody, it keeps ticking, but I made you up.
No, that was a workout. I am absolutely knackered now. Oh, I feel like I need a nice cold glass of beer, but I can't, so I am sticking with water. But I'm so glad it's done. It's done and over with. I saw the grossest worm ever. It was like one of them sucky ones. You know, that sucks on you. Ew. Disgusting. I'm all sweaty now. So I'm gonna go in the shower and then I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm not going anywhere, but I'm just gonna do my makeup and look all nice and pretty because I can. Hey guys, I'm just putting on some makeup. I thought I'd do a little half up, half down situation. Makes my hair look even longer than it already is. I don't know why I'm actually putting on makeup, because I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna be all dolled up and nowhere to go. And that's just what the little introvert in me likes to do. I'll probably take some cute photos afterwards and they're gonna be great. Well, it's still sunny outside because I've got to take advantage of this weather before it starts to rain, because it'll be raining all week starting from tomorrow, so gotta take advantage. Makeup is literally the only thing that calms me down nowadays when I'm feeling stressed out or anything like that. I need to make sure these eyebrows look even. See, that one's looking good, but can I do the other one just the same? Probably not. Oh god. See, this is what I go through every day that I do my makeup. Go through the same process of panicking. I do not know. They're gonna have to do. They're gonna have to do. I did get them microbladed a few years ago, but they gradually fade after. So, and I don't think the woman who did it did the shape that I wanted. I don't think she did it the way I wanted it to be, like the shape, but I don't think it was her. I don't think it was her fault. It's probably mine. Oh, I do want to put some blush on. I kind of want to look like, you know them Bratz Fashion Pixie dolls? I want to look like that. So, where's the eyeliner? I need the eyeliner. Moment of truth. Don't panic. What you do, don't panic. I always get one It's like my eyebrows, there's always one bigger than the other, and then I try to fix it and then I just ruin it afterwards. How did they look? But the thing that I do is I actually get a white eyeliner to then fix it if I can, so that it looks straighter. Can you see? Ooh. Whatever you do, do not sneeze. Here we go. What else? My fake lashes, obviously. How can I forget my fake lashes? They're like everything. They complete the look. Thing is, with my lips, I hardly have any. They're non-existent. Look! Especially when I smile. Look at this. Non-existent. So let's draw some on. And I always overdraw my lips, so don't be surprised if it looks a bit weird in some lights. But this is just for photos, so. I overdraw my lips all the time until I actually have some existing ones that people can see. I'll just keep overdrawing my lips until then, and then I go over the lips with an eyeshadow, a dark eyeshadow, to give it an ombre look, like that. Look, see, it's starting to look fuller. See how the lips look fuller now? There we go. That's how I do my lips. Right here. Done, sorted, smashed it. Now I need a different top. Almost ready. Now that I've done taking my photos, I am going to enjoy the rest of my Saturday drinking beer and eating pizza because it's my only cheat day. So, and I'll see you all in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye!
Me wanna make you fall in